Switching phones on Boost Mobile. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to switch phones on Boost Mobile. So let's get started. First, log into your account. For this, visit the Boost Mobile website and here sign into your account. Then select the device swap option and enter the IMEI number of your new phone. Then activate the new phone. For this, just power on the new device and follow any on-screen instruction. This process will deactivate your old phone and activate the new one. Now, most mobile phones come with a SIM card. If possible, you can transfer your old SIM card to the new phone for a seamless switch. Then check network compatibility. Boost Mobile uses T-Mobile and AT&T networks. Activation steps may differ depending on your SIM's network. T-Mobile network SIMs may require assistance from customer service. Remember that there are no extra fees. Switching phones on Boost Mobile is usually free of charge. And that's all. That's how you will be able to switch phones on Boost Mobile.